Activity rate. The participation rate is a labor indicator that measures the percentage of the working-age population that is actively participating in the labor market, whether employed or looking for work. It is a metric that makes it possible to assess the proportion of people who are economically active, in relation to the total number of people of working age. The participation rate is calculated by dividing the labor force by the working age population and multiplying by 100 to express it as a percentage. In order for a person to be considered part of the labor force and to be included in the calculation of the participation rate, he or she must be employed or actively seeking employment. The participation rate is a useful indicator for analyzing the dynamics of the labor market and the participation of the population in the economy. A high participation rate may indicate an energetic economy with a committed workforce, while a low participation rate may suggest employment challenges, job discouragement, or structural barriers to the incorporation of people into the labor market.